Supabase versus MongoDB. Which database is better? Choosing the right database can completely change how you build and scale applications without unnecessary complexity. We'll look at Supabase and MongoDB, two popular options with different approaches. Supabase and MongoDB are powerful databases, but they serve different needs. Supabase is an open source backend as a service with a relational database, while MongoDB is a leading NoSQL document database. The core difference lies in their data models and developer experience. Supabase is an open source backend platform built on PostgreSQL, offering a relational database with real-time capabilities. It works by providing a complete backend solution including authentication, storage, and auto-generated APIs. Developers interact with Supabase through SQL and RESTful endpoints, making it ideal for structured data and complex queries. Its strengths include seamless integration, real-time data synchronization, and a developer-friendly dashboard that simplifies managing your backend. Supabase also supports edge functions and integrates easily with modern front-end frameworks. However, its relational model may not suit projects that require flexible or hierarchical data structures, and scaling can be more complex compared to some NoSQL databases. Supabase is ideal for developers who want a managed, scalable relational database with built-in backend services, especially for applications needing strong consistency and relational integrity. It suits startups and teams looking for a full backend solution without managing infrastructure. MongoDB is a widely used NoSQL document database designed for flexibility and scalability. It stores data as JSON-like documents, allowing dynamic schemas that adapt easily to evolving application needs. MongoDB works by organizing data into collections of documents, which can nest complex data structures without predefined schemas. This flexibility enables rapid development and easy horizontal scaling across distributed systems. Its strengths include high performance for unstructured data, flexible schema design, and a robust ecosystem with tools like Atlas for managed cloud hosting. MongoDB supports powerful querying, indexing, and aggregation pipelines, making it versatile for many use cases. However, its eventual consistency model can introduce challenges for applications requiring strict transactional integrity. Also, complex relational queries are less straightforward compared to relational databases. MongoDB is ideal for projects with rapidly changing data models, large-scale distributed systems, or those prioritizing agility over strict schema enforcement. It fits developers building modern web apps, content management systems, or big data applications needing flexible and scalable storage. Supabase and MongoDB cater to different database needs. Supabase's relational model excels for applications requiring structured data, strong consistency, and complex joins, such as financial apps or SaaS platforms. Its built-in backend services reduce development overhead. MongoDB's document model shines when flexibility and scalability are priorities, like content-heavy apps or rapidly evolving projects. It handles unstructured data naturally and scales horizontally with ease. The trade-off is between schema rigidity and flexibility, with Supabase offering relational integrity and MongoDB providing schema agility. Performance varies by workload. Supabase benefits from PostgreSQL's mature ecosystem, while MongoDB offers faster iteration with dynamic schemas. Choosing depends on your data structure, consistency needs, and development style. Choose Supabase if you need a relational database with real-time features and integrated backend services, ideal for structured, consistent, and scalable applications. Opt for MongoDB when your project demands flexible schemas, rapid development, and horizontal scalability, especially for unstructured or evolving data. Both databases are excellent, but understanding your application's data needs will guide you to the right choice.